In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook video. You probably came across a video on Facebook and you are interested in downloading it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. Let's say, for instance, upon seeing this video, we want to download it. So all we have to do is to locate to the bottom where you see the share icon and tap on it. This will land you onto an interface like this. Among the bunch of menus, proceed to tap on copy link. Now this video's link has been copied, so all you have to do is to move out of the Facebook app and then locate the browser that we are using. In this case, we are using this Chrome browser. Yours might be different, so continue to tap on your browser. In the address bar, type google.com and hit enter. In the search engine, type Facebook video download and then pick the one with this best match. Then this will land you onto an interface like this. Proceed to select snap save. Make sure to select the one with this best match. Then you have the option to paste the link that you've copied on your Facebook app by long pressing on this box and then continue to tap on paste. So this link has been pasted on this platform. So all you have to do is to proceed to tap on download. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading everything. And there you are. Your video is now available to be downloaded. You can see the quality of the resolution on the far extreme left. You can also see whether you need to render it, and you have the option to download. So all you have to do is to continue to tap on download. In the event we want to download this, and you'll be prompted to choose where to download it. This is basically asking us to give the file a name and to also pick a particular location that we want this file to be stored. In this case, I'm okay with this, so all I have to do is to proceed to tap on download, and the file is finishing download. The file downloaded, so all we have to do is to tap on open. As you correctly see, this is the video that we've seen on Facebook and it has been downloaded on our phone. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.